guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made a lace frontal from an already existing wig. It was a closure wig, so I made a frontal from it. So I'm going to show you step by step. This is the wig. It's a closure wig, and what I'm going to be doing is to loosen the hair. Is to take off the hair and use it to make the frontal. Here's the frontal lace, and that's my hairline. I already did it off camera. You could decide to make your hairline customized. You could take the measurement from someone's hair, or you could just draw it freehand. And there are reasons why you can have it as a free line. So if you don't know how to pin down the lace to the mannequin head, this is how to do it. You want to ensure you have a flat surface. I've said so much about this on previous videos, so you could do well to go down to my channel to watch. I'm going to leave the link of this to show you how to pin down the lace for effective use. I'm going to leave the link in the pinned comment section, so do well to check that link out so you could learn how to pin this down perfectly if you're a beginner. Because if this lace is not perfectly laid, you can't walk. So you can see how flat it is. So the first part I'm going to be working on this lace frontal, it's from the folded part. This usually poses a challenge to beginners, but there are ways to do it and you do it easily. I'm going to do a separate video on that, on how to do this, so you understand that it's quite easy to do it. So I'll work on the folded part first, after which I'm going to move to the body of it. Then the last part is going to be the hairline. And I'm going to also make a separate video for the hairline after this one, so do well to stay tuned to my channel for a video showing you how to do that. So this is how you prepare your hair. It's a wefted hair. So after I loosened the hair from the wig, already made closure wig, I cut out part of the hair. So this is it. So I'm going to be cutting off the wefts now. You take your scissors, put it just by the wefts, just like this, and ensure you cut it just by the wefts so you don't waste the length of the hair. The next thing you do is to get your comb out the short strands of the hair. For this hair, it doesn't have those short strands, so but most hair has that. So you comb it out, after which you take out a little part of it which you're going to use to ventilate, and fold it into two, and you begin ventilating. And I'm using the double split hair ventilation technique, and I'm using the double split knotting technique. That's what I'm using to ventilate this lace frontal. If you don't know how to do the double split, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it easily as this video moves forward. As we go further in this video, I'll show you how you can do the double split with ease. So right now I'm ventilating the body part of the lace frontal. I'm done with the folded part and I'm at the body. For the double split, I'm just taking 1 to 2 strands of hair. 1 to 2 strands of hair. And the pattern I'm using to ventilate is the horizontal pattern. It's the horizontal pattern, or you can call it the vertical pattern. Some people say it's vertical horizontal. Well, this feels like a straight line pattern, but it's different because I'm still putting the hair in between 2 strands of hair. I'm still putting the hair in between 2 previously ventilated hair. So I'm skipping just the hole. Skip one hole. You pick a hole. After picking a hole, you take your hair close to the pin, then you pick the hair, and all you need to do is just ventilate not one part first, not the other part second. So this is how far we've gone with the hair. This is how far we've gone. What's left now, it's completing this part, then finishing the last part of the lace frontal, which is my hairline. Okay, so this is the hairline now. So for the hairline, I'm going to be making a special video. Like I already said, I'll be making a special video to explain how I customize my hairline. So by the time this wig is ready, you don't need to pre-plug the hair. It's already pre-plugged. It's going to be so customized that you don't have to stress yourself. These are the kind of laces I make. So in order to have this, I'll be showing you in subsequent videos. So but for here now, and I'm just picking 1 to 2 strands of hair at most. Sometimes I decide to pick just 1 strand depending on how I want it to look like. So it depends on you. You are the artist here, so you know exactly what you want and how you want it to come out. But for this video, I'm picking 1 to 2 strands of hair. At some point I'll pick 2 strands, at some point I pick 1 strand. And this is the last phase of this tutorial. The hairline was actually a free-handed. The hairline was drawn off camera, so but I'm ventilating and ensuring I'm not crossing the line. But some of the hair could just be above the line, some a little by the line. I'll explain more when I do a video, or when I make a video on how to ventilate the hairline of a lace frontal or a full lace wig. Remember, I'm still using the double split knotting technique. This usually makes my hairline to come out so natural and so beautiful. Although you can use any other knotting technique to do your hairline, but I prefer using this, or for this job I prefer to use this for this job. And we're almost done with this video. So in case you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so in case we have a video such as this one, you'll be the first to be notified. I'm just picking 1 to 2 strands of hair, 1 to 2 strands of hair. That's all I'm doing. 1 to 2 strands of hair. And you can see how the hairline is coming. You can see how natural it's looking. The body, the other part of the lace, I told you I had 3 parts. The first one was the folded part, the next one is the body, and the last part, which I'm working on currently now, is the hairline. You can see how full and how dense. You can see the density behind the hairline. You can see the density. So but for my hairline, why I'm picking 1 to 2 strands of hair, it's because I want it not to be as dense as the other part. I need less density at the hairline. So that's why I'm picking 1 to 2 strands of hair. just ventilating around the customized line. There you go. We're almost at the concluding part of the hairline, after which the lace frontal is ready. So you pick a hair, pick a strand of hair, and you just knot with double split. And there you go. Our lace frontal is almost ready. It's already looking so super natural. It's already looking so natural. So there we go. See how cute and natural it's looking. The lace frontal is ready. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. See how natural it's looking. This is the back of our lace frontal. Super cute. Thanks for watching.